Oh, welcome. Right now, I'm just looking at this beautiful piece of instrument known as a multimeter or test meter, and it can become an electrician's best friend. It can measure a lot of things. It can measure DC, AC, alternating current, direct current, amps, and so many others. But the question is that it? Is that it? Is that all I can do with this test meter? Is that it? Like, you see all those videos with people having so much fun with their equipment or instruments. But then when I come to my test meter, I can't even have a bit of fun. Until I was roaming through my test meter and I found the continuity check setting. Now, what the continuity check setting does is, if this is a piece of wire and I put the ends of the test leads on the ends of the wire, if the wire is in good condition, it will ring. And if the wire is broken, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't ring. Now, here's the idea. As soon as I seen that setting, I gave it a try. Listen to this. Do you know the song? It's do 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 do. Right? Now, what I thought is, if I connect an electronic switch, and if I connect the electronic switch to an amplifier, now the output of the electronic switch is connected to the test leads of the test meter, and the input is connected to the amplifier. And well, did it work? No, it didn't work. It didn't work. It didn't. For some reason, it didn't work. But I found out something new. An electronic switch, if you connect it to an amplifier, it plays music. That's something new. Did you know that? I bet you didn't. Now it didn't work and I almost quit. I actually quit. I actually thought it wasn't going to work until I thought to myself, how does electricity actually work? Then I realized that electricity actually flows from the positive wire to the negative, which meant there's a good chance if I connected the test meter to, let's say, the battery, it would work. But I'm not actually going to test that. I'm actually going to use something to bridge the battery to the test meter, and that is an amplifier. If I connect an amplifier to the test meter, would it work? Would it work? Yes, it would. But let me tell you, just in case you copy me, it wouldn't work properly on a stereo amplifier. Basically, stereos work by going from positive to negative and vice versa. And if that ever happens, then it's just going to make this noise the whole time. It's going to play music, but it's still going to make this noise. But an amplifier that's not stereo will work perfectly. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these perfect test leads, just like that. And then I'm going to connect the battery to the amplifier, like that. And then I'm going to connect the test leads, which are connected to the amplifier, so black goes to COM, and then red goes to V, just like that. As you can see, the test meter is already reading something. But in order to get the best output out of the test meter, the best case scenario is you just take off the rear cover of the test meter, like that. As you can see, this is the inside. That's the tiny little buzzer that rings when you touch the test leads together. So everything is connected. I'm going to play a song, which is Mario. So as you can see, it was a great success. As you can see, just like that. Nothing is connected to the test meters mini speaker, the buzzer, nothing's connected. The only part I have connected it to is the test leads. So the test leads go to the amplifier and, well, it plays music. That's what you call a fun project. Something easy to make and you have fun. Thanks for watching. Please. Oh, one more thing. So basically, you cannot use maximum volume on the test meter. Right now, the volume that I have it on is only 20%. As you can see, that's where the volume knob is at. And the volume can actually go all the way to 100 right there. Right now, it's just on 20. Because when you go too high, the music is terrible. But it was a great success. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video and hope you have a great year. Thanks for watching.